So coming into the course, first we'll learn how to install the software. So I've given a link here, you can see the link. So you need to go to the link, and you need to register in that website, and you will get a link for instruction, and also you will get a PDF file on how to install and how to download all these things. So I already have this software, so let's start. So as we previously discussed, SolidWorks is divided into three environments, that is part design, assembly design and drafting. So we are going to see first part design here. So we need to click Control and click OK. So it will open. Then second one is assembly design, it is below part design, and third one is drafting. So these three are side by side to each other. So it will be, if you click Control N or go to file, new, open, then it will give all these three menus. Now we'll open the menu. So we'll see first SketchUp part today. So we will see basics. Part we'll see in part modeling, it is SketchUp part. You can see here commands are there. We'll call it as tools. You can see features, and so second one is solids. So in solids it is located as features. So you can see extrude boss, revolve boss, reference geometry are highlighted. So third one is surface designs. So in surface designs you need to click the surface. These things can be opened directly. So these three are by default, which are the main basics if you want to open, if you want to learn SolidWorks basics. So other than that, there are options such as insert, tools, cut, features, pattern, mirror. These are all basic operations. So then sheet metal also is there. So sheet metal is nothing but a material which is neither solid nor surface. So with some materials like CPU parts, our phone designs can be made from sheet metal. So in this course we will learn only the basics of SolidWorks modeling. First we will learn how to create a sketch, then how to convert it into 3D. To create a sketch, first you will have three planes here. So if you need to show that by default three planes, so there are, so first select a plane from any of these three mentioned planes. So these three planes are mutually perpendicular to each other. You can see there are front plane, top plane and right plane. Create a sketch on any of the plane. So generally sketch contains a closed profile. If you create open profiles, you will get surfaces or sheet metal. It will ask you an option for thickness. So we'll create lines here basically. So these lines are as sketched, so these don't have any relations. So relations are nothing but geometrical relations here. So if you want to create a solid design, you need to close the sketch. Then you need to convert the sketch into a three-dimensional shape. Nothing but sketch can be also scaled as two-dimensional design. So it is in 2D, two dimensions, that is X and Y. Then models are called three dimensions. It is in X, Y and Z. Basically AutoCAD knowledge is required if you want to create 2D models. Those are nothing but draft shapes. So there are many softwares other than SolidWorks such as CATIA, Creo, Fusion 360 for 3D modeling, but SolidWorks is one of the best softwares used by because it can create easily 3D shapes, and it will be easy for you to understand what is going on, and it is one of the best softwares for visual purpose also. So you can see you need to exit the sketch and go to features tab, then create extrude, then give the dimensions. Now I'm giving 25 meters mm here. So units are also predefined here. Units are mmgs, that is nothing but meters and millimeters, sorry. Now we have come to the end of the first introduction video. I hope you understand the sketch part. There are sketch shapes, many types of sketch shapes which you can practice